All right, in lesson 6.3, we're talking about dispersion. The first thing we're going to talk about is quartiles. So let's look at how to make quartiles. Now in this case it just wants Q3, but we're going to give all three quartiles. The first thing you have to do is arrange the numbers in order from smallest to largest. 4.9, 6.8, 12.7, let's see, what's next, 28.8, 45.4, 63.7, 78.9, and 94.7. All right, then you're going to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first thing you have to do is determine the middle, which is called Q2, or the median. Those are the same name for the same thing. Since there's an even number, the middle value will be halfway between the middle two values. So in this case, we could use our calculator and take 28.8 plus 45.4 is 74.2 divided by 2, and we get 37.1. So on our calculator, so 37.1 is Q2. Then we're going to divide. That's Q2. Then we take the lower half, which has 4 things in this case, and we find halfway in that lower half. Or in other words, halfway between the second and the third thing. So we would take 6.8 plus 12.7 is 19.5 divided by 2 is 9.75. That's Q1. Then Q3 would be halfway in this end. So we would take 63.7 plus 78.9 is 24.95 divided by 2 is, clear. I'm going to start over again. 63.7 plus 78.9 is 142 divided by 2 is 71. 71.3 is Q3. Okay, next. That's quartiles. Then it says, let's go to the next thing, which is interquartile range. So the first thing we have to do is find the 2 outside quartiles, which actually means we have to find 6.8, 4.9, 12.7, 28.8, 45.4, let's see, 63.7, 78.9, and 94.7. So the first thing we do is find the middle, but we don't actually have to find the middle. It's right between the 4th and the 5th items. And then we're going to find Q1, which is, which is 6.8 plus 12.7, or 19.5, divided by 2 is 9.75. And we find Q3, which is 63.7 plus 78.9 is 142.6 divided by 2 is 71.3. So the interquartile range is the distance between those two, or we would take 71.3 minus 9.75 gives us 61.55. Next thing, 6.3.5 tells us to make a box and whisker plot of the data. Okay, so in order to do that, we're going to take the data and arrange it, arrange it in order. All right, let's see here. 40, 40, 41, 43, 45, 45, 47, 49, 49, 58, oops, 56 first, then 58, then, let's see here, what's next? Oh, we got a 53 in there, forgot that one. 62, 64, 66, 70, 81, 82, 86, 93, 98, 98, 99, 99. Count to make sure that you have the right number. We should have 25 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Nope, we're missing a number. 89. So that's your quality control. There's 89. And now we've got all the numbers. Okay. Then we want to get our data. So the first thing we do is, since there's 25 numbers, the 13th number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 13th number is Q2. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The Q1 is halfway between 6 and 7. Halfway between 45 and 47 is Q1 is 46. Okay? Even though it's not one of our numbers, it's still halfway between those two. And then Q3 is halfway between the in the top half here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's halfway between 86 and 89, which is 87.5 is Q3. Now we can make our box and whisker plot. All right, I'm going to switch to a blue pen. So our box goes from Q1, which is 46, to Q3, which is 87.5, and Q2 is 46. I'm sorry, 62, which is about almost halfway between them. So we would say 62. And our whisker goes down to 40, and it goes up to 99. So we're looking for a box and whisker plot that looks like that, 40 to 99, 40 to 99, 47, 62, 86. Looks like that one right there, doesn't it? 46, 62, 87.5. Well, they say 86. See if there's one that fits better. Nope, that's the one. 86. It says approximately 86. So, oops. That's how we would calculate our box and whisker plot. I believe that's that one. Calculate range, the easiest thing of all. Just find the upper size and the lower number. The lowest number in here is 61. 57. The highest number is 90. On our calculator, we would take 90 minus 57 is 33, so that's the range. If you have any questions, give me a call.